Jess, bakit ka naman nananakot na maraming mawawalan ng trabaho dahil sa AI?
Hindi ko naman sila, Miss Joyce, tinatakot. Sinasabi ko lang sa kanila yung totoo.
And yung misconception ng mga tao sa AI, di ba, maraming negative nga dito.
People who know how to use AI better than you will take your job. AI can do that in what? In a snap.
Why not subukan mo, i-explore mo para mabago yung buhay mo?
You can either adapt or get left behind.
Innovation is very important talaga sa mga company.
Yeah. I'm not scaring you. I'm informing you.
Alam mo lang, ito yung nakita mong opportunity for all people.
I know na nanonood kayo. Even if hate yung messages.
Yun yung naging experience mo before. Walang nagmulat sa'yo.
Jazz, hindi ako nag-give up para sa'yo. Kahit ako lang talaga nakakita, baliw na ang tawag nila sa akin. Para lang mapunta ka dyan. With great power comes with great responsibility. AI is great power. Alam kong mukha kang pera.
Kailan ba namang ayaw sa pera?
Exactly. I receive. The only way to do that is you have to learn it, right? Because early adapters win in the era of AI. Ganun lang kasimple, business owners. So good job na napanood mo to.
Nasa bahay ka lang, nag-scroll ka na naman ng social media mo, tumutok at manood ka ng Evitalk Podcast at manalo ng 200 GCash prize. Itag ang 5 friends, react and share, at i-comment ang hashtag Evitalk Podcast. Ano bang hinihintay mo? Sali na!
As a CEO ng Luna AI System, ano yung aabangan namin dito sa company mo?
Well, with Luna AI System, since I just shared with you a while ago that it is the Philippines' pioneer in AI systems architecture, our mission is to empower corporations, companies, small businesses with the power of artificial intelligence. Why? Because you just have to let people see, or let business owners see the possibilities it can do for you. Like for example, Miss Joyce, you're a dental clinic and you're here, okay? And of course, ang mga customers mo dapat is within, for example lang, you want 3 kilometers, okay? And you want to target them. Aside from paid ads, you can also have AI scrape data, their names, their email addresses, kung nakapost sa Facebook nila, kung nakapost sa LinkedIn. And then you will be able to have a lead generation system that AI is funneling for you. Pag non-AI empowered ang system mo, di ba, mano-mano dito, may logbook ka pa. It's a nightmare. May pa-logbook, minsan di mo mabasa. Right? But with artificial intelligence, kukunan mo lang yan and AI will be able to input it sa Google Sheet na usually full-time job ng isang tao.
Yeah.
Right? Even sales, full-time job ng isang tao to make reports. AI can do that in a snap. So, my mission is to make sure that we should be making systems, not money-making machines. Because money-making machines will be money-making machines if they have systems.
Yeah. Jess, bakit ka naman nananakot na maraming mawawalan ng trabaho dahil sa AI?
Hindi ko naman sila, Miss Joyce, tinatakot. Sinasabi ko lang sa kanila yung totoo. Kasi it's their right to know. Right? Even in China, ang nagluluto na ng fried rice mo, robotic hands na. I am not saying that will come to the Philippines anytime soon, but the possibilities of it is, the percentage is getting higher every day. So, you can either be scared or you can either be ready. Your pick. Right? Hindi ko sila tinatakot. Marami nang babash sa akin sa TikTok. Ano ba yan? Dami mo sinasabi, ba't mo ba kami tinatakot? Natatakot ka ba? Then good. Right? Very good. Ibig sabihin, you're aware. And once you're aware, you will be human enough to survive. You will have this survival instinct to learn how to adapt. Because early adapters win in the era of AI.
And just, yun yung naging experience mo before. Walang nagmulat sa'yo na papunta na sa e-commerce yung negosyo mo na tinayo.
I
diba?
lost hundreds of millions because I didn't want to innovate.
500 million, di ba?
Di lang yun actually. Marami pa. Marami
yung
pa.
effort,
Yeah.
yung mga ginawa mo dun sa negosyo na yun, nawala lahat dahil hindi ka
Dahil
naniwala.
matigas ulo ko katulad mo.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. And madahilan ako katulad mo. technically, I'm just like you. But don't wait for something to happen to your business just bago ka a-action. I'm not scaring you. I'm informing you. So, good job na napanood mo to.
And good job kung a-attend ka ng AI bootcamp ni Miss Jazz. Kasi doon marami kang matututunan. At baka hindi ka mawalan ng trabaho.
Yeah, but
Diba?
technically, guys, you can learn AI for free sa YouTube. If you want an AI-empowered community with like-minded individuals who want to build AI for business, you can log on to www.jasminedeluna.com/bootcamp if you're interested. And we will be having a lot of activities, AI kidpreneurs, and we also have your first AI agent for those people who wish to dive deeper into the magic of automations and how powerful it is and what it can do for your business. So integrate the small things. You don't need to do something big for your company just to make sure that you're AI empowered. So if your company or your employees, they know how to use AI, just to make sure na hindi sila nababurn out, because that's basically the power of artificial intelligence. It just doesn't help you with repetitive tasks. It also helps you not to be burnt out. So this is actually my invitation for you to use artificial intelligence to, harness the power of artificial intelligence for the better in all parts of life pa. Hindi lang sa work. Alam kong mukha kang pera. Okay lang umamin. Tayo lang naman. Okay
Sino
lang
ba namang ayaw sa pera?
Exactly.
Diba?
I received. Yeah? So, alam kong mukha kang pera at okay lang yon. But artificial intelligence can also make you sane, which is you just have to know how to harness it fully, right? And the only way to do that is you have to learn it, right?
And also, be thankful. Huwag kayong matakot. Be thankful kasi may Jazz na nagpapakalat ng power of AI. So yung mga nambabash, siguro baguhin nyo yung mindset nyo. Mas ma-curious pa kayo para mas maintindihan niyo yung pinagsasabi ng babaeng ito.
Yeah, actually, okay lang naman na i-bash nila ako. At least it's giving me actually the awareness that they care. I actually love it because I am getting your attention.
Yeah.
I know na nanonood kayo. Even if hate yung messages nyo. It's fine. It's totally fine. At least nag-comment kayo. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time. Diba?
Thank you for your time and attention.
Malaking bagay yung awareness na binibigay mo.
Yeah.
Kasi alam mo lang, ito yung nakita mong opportunity for all people.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero kung sino nga yung magagrab ng opportunity, siya yung mabibless.
I agree with you.
Just sa dami ng AI tools ngayon, meron bang mga scam or hindi legit?
Well, lahat naman ng tools, it's a double-edged sword. So, it can either hurt you or help you. A lot of people are using AI twins to scam people. Halimbawa, pahingi ng 5,000, block lang yung Gcash ko. Maraming ganon. And even, I haven't tried recently, but did you know that AI apps can replicate your what you call this, bank transfer na pictures. Yeah, you have to be very vigilant with that. But I think naayos na ata with the security, but still nakakalusot yan. With great power comes with great responsibility. AI is great power. And by using AI, you will equip yourself to know the difference ng AI at hindi. Right? Fake news, kayang kumalat. Meron nga na balita, naawa ako sa mga bumbero. Parang they used Sora 2 na parang pinasabog nila yung parang fire truck. And then, syempre, kinopya yung destination, pinicturan, and then they made a video out of it. Daming bumberong pumunta, but it wasn't the real video. Right? It wasn't the real video. So that is one of the examples. But technically, if you have an eye for detail and medyo you are using AI for image and video generation using AI, you will know the difference. So that is one use case why you should use AI. It's to also protect you and your family from certain things. Right?
Kaya maganda na may community.
Yeah. the more aware you are, the more powerful you are. We are still in the age of information.
Ito yung pinaka nakakatakot, Jazz. Yung AI, kunyari, picture mo, and then ilalagay sa isang video na hindi naman ikaw talaga ang gumawa nun. Anong thoughts mo dun? Or parang awareness na maibibigay mo sa mga viewers natin?
Well, like I've said a while ago, every 3 months, AI is becoming more powerful and powerful every 3 months. So the key here, you can be scared, but also you can also equip yourself on how to avoid it, right? Kasi with great power comes with great responsibility. Sabi nga, di ba, si Spider-Man. And AI is great power and it's also a great responsibility. With that, talamak siya. I'm sorry to say. And I don't have any solutions for it. But the only way to protect ourselves is to actually use it. So you'll know the difference. Yeah.
And Jazz, what do you think makes a great leader sa ngayon na fast-changing talaga yung technology?
Great leader sa government? Or
Great leader
Sa
sa
business?
business.
a great leader for me is also a great learner and a follower. Right? Kasi, and also, you have to walk the talk. Hindi yung puro utos ka lang. Right? So, if you are teaching AI to your people, to your workforce, supposed to be ikaw then, you should be using it as well. You should know it as well. Kasi being a great leader, you are leading them from point A to point B. Sabi ko nga lagi ko nga sinasabi sa mga students ko, tell me how far you can see and I will tell you how far you will go. But with regards to this, being a leader is making them see a vision na hindi nila nakikita pa. That is the work of a leader.
And yung misconception ng mga tao sa AI, di ba, maraming negative nga dito. Ano yung masasabi mo sa kanila?
Well, you can be negative all you want, right? But the moment AI takes your job, probably sa mga time na yun, you don't hate it anymore. You will learn it. Again, AI won't take your job. People who know how to use AI better than you will take your job. There's a difference. So, if you're still negative about it, okay lang naman. Just don't be sad the moment you realize that what we're saying is true. Right? Back then, Bill Gates, 2%, parang 2% pa lang ng mundo ang may internet. Pinagtatawanan siya, sabi sa TV show, naka-record sa YouTube. Sabi sa TV show, so Bill, bakit pa natin kailangan ng internet? Meron namang radio. I can listen to my baseball game. I can watch my baseball game sa TV. Why do I need internet? So sabi ni Bill Gates, you need the internet kasi why? It's pretty interesting because you can repeat that baseball game over and over. Sabi ba naman ng TV host, ba't ko kailangan i-repeat? Napanood ko na. I'm sure that person couldn't even live without YouTube. or internet or Google search right now.
Tsaka just kung pag-uusapan nga natin ng AI, sige, hindi mawawalan ng trabaho yung iba. Pero, sa panahon ngayon, syempre yung mga company gusto mag-grow.
Yeah.
Kasi fast, na talaga ngayon fast na yung transition and innovation is very important talaga sa mga company.
Yeah.
So kung kahit leader ka ng isang company at hindi mo ginagamit talaga ang AI, mapapag-iwanan ka. Talaga marereplace ka ng mga tao na magaling gumamit ng AI.
Exactly. Yeah, replace or parang you can either adapt or get left behind. It's pwede naman na ma-left behind ka, but medyo masakit yung the fear of being left behind.
Ano lang yan, parang sa networking, itry mo muna.
Yeah.
Diba? Once na na-try mo, dun mo malalaman.
Yeah, kung masarap yung putahe.
Yeah,
Paano mo malalaman kung masarap yung adobo kung ayaw mong tikman?
Oo. Sige, balik tayo doon, no? Iko-connect lang natin sa AI. Nung dati, nangarap ako, gusto kong yumaman. And then sabi ko, eto pandesal vendor, na-recruit ako. Na-invite ako. Pandesal vendor, hindi nakatapos ng pag-aaral. Yumaman sa networking. And then, na-curious ako. Inaral ko yung networking, di ba?
Yeah.
So, wala siyang pinagkaiba sa ngayon na eto na yung abundance, di ba? AI is abundance. intelligence.
Yeah.
Ito na si abundance intelligence. Ito yung makakatulong sa'yo para yumaman ka. Why not subukan mo, i-explore mo para mabago yung buhay mo. And just, hindi lang naman ang mga empleyado ang natatakot mawalan ng trabaho. Even entrepreneurs, natatakot din sila mapag-iwanan or ma-left behind yung company.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung mga itutulong nitong AI sa kanila?
So for business owners, usually sa mga nagtatanong sa akin ng ganyan, ang benefit lang is you will cut cost. Number 2, yung 10 empleyado mo, kaya ang trabaho ng 100 na empleyado nang hindi na burnout. Number 3 is artificial intelligence can jumpstart kung may plano kang 5-year plan, parang 5-year strat plan, kaya niya maging 1 year. Ganoon lang ka-simple, business owners. Hindi ko na komplikatuhin ng ito kailangan mong gawin. Hindi. Kasi different folks, different strokes. Depende yan on how you learn and how you're gonna use AI. So, yeah.
And Miss Jess, ano yung AI tools na pwede mong mai-recommend sa ating mga EV viewers?
Naku, dami. Paano
Na
yan?
pwede nilang magamit sa ngayon?
Well, baka ma-bored kayo sa sagot ko because I will only tell you to use ChatGPT.
Oo.
Did you know that ChatGPT is the most powerful AI tool ever? And you're using it para lang tanungin kung anong pwede i-reply sa jowa mo. O natawa kayo kasi totoo. It's not just that. Do you even know that that ChatGPT can find local leads for you na pwede mong bentahan by using agent mode? Did you know na kaya niyang gumawa ng Excel sheet na may formulas while we're talking na habang nandito lang yung laptop ko? And do you even know na kaya niyang i-translate yung lahat ng sinasabi mo rito? Do you even know that kaya niyang reviewin yung anak mo sa lessons niya para bukas?
Grabe.
With Quiz GPT. You don't even know.
Hindi ko pa alam yan.
Diba? But you're
Alam mo,
paying for it. But you're paying for it.
Ang dami kong naririnig na hindi ko pa alam.
But you're
Parang
paying for
marami
it.
tayong pag-uusapan kasi limited lang yung time
Diba?
natin.
Sa podcast lang yan na rin.
Oo, kailangan na ma-curious ka talaga. Ano pa bang kayang gawin ng mga AI?
Yeah, that's my job eh. That's the reason why I did content creation with the niche of artificial intelligence. I just want to share with you the possibilities of AI because kasi kung hindi, baka hindi ka pa ready. Remember, the teacher will appear when the student is ready.
Yeah.
But if you're not ready, okay lang, wag mo ipilit. Kasi that's my takeaway. Na there will be people who are ready for it. There will be people who who will not be yet ready, but observant lang. But they will be in the right time.
And also, wala naman siyang pinagkaiba just sa mga taong nakaka-receive ng abundant blessings kasi they are ready.
Yeah.
Yung mga tao na hindi pa ready,
Like
hindi
the
pa
vessel
talaga.
is ready. Yeah.
Diba? And just, ano naman yung masasabi mo sa mga taong nawalan talaga sila ng work dahil nga sa fast-changing technology katulad nito ng AI.
Well, like
Naapektuhan sila dahil sa AI.
Well, like somebody told me, build your own economy. You know, Miss Joycey, my greatest dream is freedom. And you will have the freedom if you have the skills na hindi ka nag-aantay na kung anong ibibigay sa'yo ng Diyos sa laptop. This is your life. You build your own rules, you build your own business. Parang, if I'm going to write you a check, Miss Joyce, magkano ang ilalagay mo sa check ito? That's what AI is giving you. Only if you know how to use it.
Actually, na-curious talaga ako kasi sabi ko, paano po tayo interviewin? Ano bang meron kay Miss Jazz? And then right now, nakita ko yung grabe yung value na binibigay. Oo. Nakuha ko na ngayon, grabe yung value na binibigay mo sa mga tao na sobrang libre.
Yeah.
Diba? Libre lang. Actually, hindi na siya sekreto kasi binubunyag mo na.
Wala ako tinatago, guys. Literal.
Even dun sa,
alam ng students ko yan. I don't gatekeep.
Yeah, even sa bootcamp mo, lahat. Grabe yung value na binibigay mo. And may after pa siya, di ba? After lessons pa, after the bootcamp, di ba? Ayan, thank you. Grabe, ang dami kong napulot na lessons. And siguro for my last question, Jazz, if kakausapin mo yung dating dropout na student and now a successful AI bestie and a successful entrepreneur, ano yung masasabi mo sa kanya?
Actually, no. Meron akong video from 2010. Umiiyak ako sa McDonald's Ortigas. Umiiyak ako sa McDonald's Ortigas. Tapos, that was Christmas Eve. Tapos, wala akong pamasahe pa uwi. And I am
Grabe.
talking to the Jasmine De Luna of 15 years after. Kaso nakorop na yung video. Papakita ko sana. But I'm sure maraming may kopya na around the Philippines. Kasi in-spread out ko yun eh. Kasi kinilabutan ako. Parang 15 years ago, there was this video na sabi ko, kinakausap yung Jasmine De Luna of 10 years from now. Jazz, hindi ako nag-give up para sa'yo. Wala akong makain dito, hindi ako makauwi. Hindi ko alam makakauwi ako or may magbibigay sa akin ng pamasahe ngayon para makauwi ng Pasko sa nanay ko. Hindi ko alam. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na hindi ko binitawan yung pangarap na to kahit ako lang ang nakakakita, pinagtatawanan ako. Kahit ako lang talaga nakakakita, baliw na ang tawag nila sa akin. Para lang mapunta ka dyan. Sana, yung nangyayari sa'yo dyan, pangalagaan mo dahil pinaghirapan ko yan dito sa taong to. Girl, nung napanood ko yun, oh my God. Nagbilang, I saw that 2021. So girl, para sa akin, kaya pala ako nandito.
Yeah.
Kasi yung dating ako naghirap, pinaglaban yung, parang, if you don't, parang, fight for your dreams, kapatid. If you have to fight for your dreams, so it will fight for you too. Kasi ikaw lang naman ang nakakakita niya. Kasi I believe that I was born to make sure that ordinary people are being reminded that they can be extraordinary the moment they go into rooms that they thought they're not invited to. Pero nilaban nila, yung mga pangarap nila na akala nila din nila kayang nilaban.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman din ginawa ko eh. Right? But I was just proud of her because she chose herself. Amidst everything else, amidst all of the distractions, amidst all of the rejections, she chose herself, her dreams. Kahit siya lang ang nakakakita. And she believed in them. And kung alam lang niya what's waiting for her, what she imagined there, it's 100 times more here. Because it has become a global phenomenon. And how time flew by na, dreams also evolve, people also evolve, and sabi nga nila, there are two important dates you have to remember in your life. The day you were born and the day you find out why. And probably you will find that why if you just follow your purpose, and you will find that if you show up. And that's what I did 15 years ago.
Grabe. Congratulations, Jazz. I'm so proud of you. Grabe. Kasi I know yung mga rejections na pinagdaanan mo. Pero ngayon, you as a mentor, a coach, and eto, nasa era talaga ng AI. So, grabe yung value na maibibigay mo sa mga tao talaga. And
Thank
isa
you.
na ako doon na I think I will be your fan right now. Kasi sobrang nakita ko during our conversation, yung talaga, yung maitutulong nito sa business ko and sa mga tao na kapaligid sa akin.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
having
so
me.
much. Thank you, Jazz, for sharing with us your inspirational story na talaga namang kapupulutan ng aral at pag-asa ng bawat isa. At before katuluyan na magpaalam, baka may gusto ka pang batiin at i-promote.
Well, my name is Jasmine De Luna and I'm your AI bestie. And you can follow me on TikTok at jasmine.ai. Make sure na JAZMINE.ai. Wala pong one, walang double letter. It's just jasmine.ai. And you can follow me on Instagram. That's Jasmine De Luna _. And my Facebook account is Jasmine De Luna, your AI bestie. And I'll see you there. You can check out our bootcamp at www.jasminedeluna.com/bootcamp. And nakalimutan ko rin na you can also download my free ChatGPT super library.
Wow.
It's www.jasmine.ai.
Grabe, meron ka palang ganon.
Kalimutan ko
So
lang.
yun, explore natin yun. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Jazz.
so much
Alam
for
kong
having me.
sobrang busy mo, pero grabe, worth it yung time na Nagkwentuhan tayo, ang daming values and ang daming learnings talaga. I hope maraming natutunan ng ating mga listeners, no? And sa nanalo sa aming pa-Gcash, abangan nyo na lamang sa aming Evitalk Podcast page. I hope may natutunan kayo at na-inspired kayo, lalo na sa pag-abot ng inyong mga pangarap. Again, my name is Miss Joycey. See you on our next Evitalk Podcast Season 3.
Evitalk Podcast would like to thank the following: Evidence Health Beauty and Skin Essentials, MacJoy E-Commerce Corporation, J. Caprioli Designs, etc., Print Pinas Los Baños, Mugs Photo and Films, Speedway Business Solutions Corp., We Trade Innovation Solutions, Hello Eve, Germite Packaging Supplies Trading Incorporated, The Wise Owl Studios, Hisopos Global, Via Juana Distribution, Beauty Code, Miss Seed Beauty Lounge, Skin Amazing, Queen Boss Society, King Boss Club, Gig Sportswear, Manang Aneng, Presyong Kapatid, Komi, T&M Manufacturing Corporation, Buchan Manila, Divine Touch Makeup Artistry, RF Proactive Marketing Global Incorporated, Aura Beauty and Wellness, in partnership with Gutierrez Media Productions, Pinoy Extreme, Pasyal Tayo.